dolls and gents, I am back with a new hair wig installation video. This hair is from Wiggins Hair, and I did create a wig using 4 bundles of their loose wave hair. I have in 2 26 inches, 1 24 inch, 1 22 inch, plus a 20-inch lace frontal. It's been a minute since your girl has done a lace frontal, right? I know, it's long overdue. Right off the bat, I wanna say I have never experienced so many issues with a lace frontal before. Like, my lace is lifting and everything. It was so hard for me to bleach the knots on this lace frontal. And also, I could not tweeze the hairline because the lace kept breaking on me. So this lace is super fragile and it doesn't even really want to stick down to my head. So I'm just like, oh my gosh, what is going on? Am I just having a bad hair day or what? The hair, the curl pattern is so pretty. These bundles I highly recommend. I would recommend maybe sticking with a lace closure or maybe getting your lace frontal from another brand, because I did experience a lot of issues with this particular one. This hair is very low maintenance. I haven't had any issues with shedding or tangling. The hair is super pretty. It's a nice wave, almost curly. It's like really gorgeous. I've been into like that kind of in between wavy curly hair. I love this curl pattern, so pretty. If you want to see how I installed this hair today, definitely stay tuned, guys. All right, y'all, let's install this hair. I am going to do an easy installation today. So I'm just using my Got2b spray, and I do the Got2b spray when I'm only going to rock the wig for that day. I don't do the bold hold because the bold hold is for like extensive wear, like if I'm going to rock it for like a week or 2. But if I'm going to just rock it for a day or 2, I just do the Got2b. So anyways, I take the Got2b spray, I let it get tacky, then I put the lace down in the middle, and then I blow dry it, and it pretty much sinks the lace into my skin instantly. It's such an easy installation as opposed to using the Got2b glue gel. That stuff gets so messy and sticky and crazy. So I'm just cutting the ear tabs here, and I'm actually using a pair of like scissors that I got for my sewing machine, but it works really great for cutting the lace like on the ear tabs. It does it like this, but if you're gonna use those, definitely make sure you take your time. I don't want anyone cutting their skin or their ear. But yeah, I just like to work from the middle, and then I do one side and then I go down to the next side. And I'm also using those same kind of scissors to cut the baby hairs right there on the ear tabs. I just like the way that that looks there. So I always do that even if I don't do baby hairs. So I'm just doing the same thing on the other side. Honestly, I wish that my hairline was more tweezed, but I did have a lot of issues with this particular lace frontal. So I'm like, you know what? I'm not going to tweeze any more baby hairs because well, not baby hairs, but tweeze the hairline anymore, because every time I tried to do it, I literally was putting holes in the lace and I had to cut the lace so much. So we're just going to deal with a natural full hairline for this tutorial. But yeah, this is just a simple way that I install my wigs. Y'all have seen me do this so many times. We are almost done. I'm just pushing in the lace with a comb into my skin. And lastly, we're going to take the baby hair on that side. We'll pull out some hair on the ear tab on that side, and we're going to make some baby hairs. And that's it, y'all. It was a pretty quick installation. So yeah. She thick. And by thick, I'm talking about this hairline. I had a lot of issues with the frontal. I bleached the knots like I normally do on any lace closure or lace frontal, and I was having issues with the knots lifting. So the knots on this wig, on the sides, they're bleached, but right here in the middle, they would not bleach for whatever reason. So then I went to tweeze the hairline. The lace was literally like tearing as I was tweezing the hairline. So I had to cut off a lot of the excess lace and also some of the lace that was on the hair just because there were holes in the lace, and I never had any issues like this before. So I'm not sure why that happened, but just a heads up on the lace frontal. This hair is absolutely gorgeous, but I did experience some issues with the frontal. So what I did to camouflage the lace a little bit off camera is I went around the hairline right here with bronzer. I'm using the Bobbi Brown Deep 4 just because I'm not going to do any baby hairs. So I'm just applying bronzer right here to the hairline and also to my forehead just to make it mesh and blend better. And then I'm going to blend it out with my powder brush. Since I did have to go in and cut a lot of the lace, I don't have much lace left. I literally just have this little bit of lace here. So what I'm going to do is just like flip the hair over. And this is the natural curl pattern of the hair. As you can see, the bundles are super, super gorgeous. I'm just not sure if I received a bad frontal or what. Ugh, I can't make up my mind, y'all. Sorry. I'm gonna flip it to this side. I always flip to this side, so I don't know why. I was like, let me flip it to the other side. No, girl, stick to what you know. So there we go. I would probably add a little bit more water to this side just so I could get the curls back defined, but this is pretty much how I am going to wrap this hair. The curl pattern of this hair is super pretty. I would definitely recommend the bundles. I just had issues with the frontal. I don't know if I received a bad frontal or if this is how all the frontals are, but the actual curl pattern of this hair is so, so pretty. So, so pretty. So if y'all are interested in checking out these hair extensions, I will have a link down below to Wiggins Hair and also any coupon codes that I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will be sure to catch y'all in my next one. Bye. By the way, if you have not already watched the makeup tutorial for this look, be sure to click the box right here and go straight to it.